Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture size 4x4 in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make picture size 4x4. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the Tools section, select the Place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place the picture from our page. Now we want to make this picture size 4x4. Firstly, enable the transform option. Go to the window menu and we can see here enable already the transform option. Then go to the height and wide option, write 4 and height 4. Then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we make a picture size 4x4 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.